I've heard from people that it's just a file. Well, it's not just a file. There's a lot of labor and a lot of cost behind that file. If you're doing one-offs for businesses, so you're producing unique machines for each customer, what happens if you lose those files? So we can't see the future, but if you lost all your data, could you recreate all your drawings? That's a question we should all ask ourselves.
It's easy to think of it as one document, but it's all these steps, all these hours, all these iterations, never mind like critical engineering data, your one source of truth lives in those release documents.
Can you rely on a vendor to manage data and support it? Yes. I mean, we offer Vault as a service today, and we manage customers' vaults in the cloud. We do all the backup. We have a DR solution in place. We generate, monthly reports on Vault usage for the customers. And the customers that are in the cloud love it because it's one less thing that their IT has to take care of.